Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I will show you how to fix OneDrive sync issues on Windows 11. First, check your internet connection to ensure you are online. Look at the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. If you do not see it, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. The icon should be visible and active. Next, try restarting OneDrive. Right-click the OneDrive icon and select Close OneDrive. After that, open it again from the Start menu. This simple restart often fixes minor syncing problems. If restarting does not solve the issue, you can pause and resume syncing. Right-click the OneDrive icon and select Pause Syncing. Wait a few minutes and then select Resume Syncing. This refreshes the connection and can help OneDrive catch up. Sometimes OneDrive needs a full reset. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type %locale app data %. Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.x, reset, and press Enter. This will reset OneDrive and can fix deeper syncing problems. If resetting still does not help, you may need to unlink your PC from OneDrive and sign in again. Right-click the OneDrive icon, go to Settings, and then the Account tab. Select Unlink this PC. Once unlinked, sign back in to relink your account. This ensures OneDrive has a fresh connection to your files. Following these steps should fix most OneDrive syncing issues on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.